Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by logging in and confirming your verified email. This speeds up verification. Once logged in, enter the incident ID and exact timestamps. Accuracy reduces delays. Make sure to enable two-factor authentication because sites often lock sensitive actions without it. Next, attach any ID or proof you already prepared. This first submission defines the workflow. Finally, select your role in the incident so the site shows relevant sections. These initial steps get you into the correct flow immediately. Once inside the report form, pick the exact report type. Crash versus bug changes required fields, so choose carefully. Then describe what happened in plain steps. Reproduce sequence, expected result, actual result. This helps reviewers triage faster. Upload logs and screenshots with concise file names. Compress files to the site's limits but keep quality. Make sure timestamps in your files match the form entries because mismatches cause extra verification. Use copy and paste for long hex or stack traces to avoid typos. Before you submit, review every field and attachment. Confirm the ticket number so you can reference it later. After submission, monitor your email and the site's notification center. Most responses include step-by-step requests. If follow-up asks for extra logs, provide them promptly and explain any changes you made after the crash. Finally, if you see no response within the posted SLA, escalate through the support chat with your ticket number. Troubleshooting tip: if uploads fail, clear cache or try an alternate browser and re-upload.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.